What if instead of using AI tools, you owned the platform where 190 million people go to find them? Seriously, what if you didn't have to create prompts, generate content, or sell anything at all? And instead, you had a fully built digital empire sitting right in front of you, loaded with over 5,000 of the most in-demand AI models across every niche imaginable. Already optimized, already connected to traffic, and designed to pay you every single time someone clicks, tries, or uses one of those tools. Because that's exactly what this new app does. Hey, my name is Venkatesh, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you Mindrix, the world's first AI marketplace you don't have to build, where the traffic is done for you. The content is already inside, and the income flows in from both users and tool creators, automatically. Let me break it down real fast. AI is booming. You know this. Over 190 million users are actively searching for tools every single day, from voice cloning to writing, from research to automation. And every week, hundreds of new AI tools are launching, all fighting to be discovered. They're spending millions on ads, influencers, paid directories, just to get clicks and eyeballs. Now imagine you own the very platform where all that traffic was heading. A directory packed with 5,000 plus AI models, where creators pay you to be featured, where users earn you commissions on every interaction, and where the system itself promotes your site for you. You're not building anything. You're not chasing sales. You're not begging for traffic. You're stepping in as the gatekeeper of the biggest tech gold rush in modern history. Think about it like this. When the gold rush hit, the miners weren't the ones who got rich. The ones who sold the shovels, owned the land, and controlled the supply chain were the real winners. Mindrix puts you in that exact position, without having to lift a finger. You log in. Your platform is ready. Your 5,000 plus AI models are loaded. Your traffic engine is running in the background. And your income streams are live from the moment someone lands on your site. Let the other 99% scramble to figure out how to sell AI tools. You'll own the digital storefront where every tool wants to be seen. You'll charge creators who want visibility. You'll earn commissions when users interact with tools. And you'll do none of the hard stuff that usually holds people back. No funnels. No content. No audience. No tech headaches. Just ownership. Real, passive, automated ownership, in one of the fastest growing markets the internet has ever seen. This isn't affiliate marketing. This isn't some hack or trick. And this sure as hell isn't another push-button profits lie. This is an actual platform, a system that puts you in control of traffic, attention, and money. It works whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned marketer. Whether you've got zero time, or want to scale this into a serious online business. Because Mindrix handles everything. It's preloaded. It's pre-built. It's monetized. And it's waiting for you to claim it. And today, you can grab lifetime access, for a tiny one-time price. No subscriptions. No hidden fees. And absolutely zero risk. Because you're protected by our 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. So go ahead. Click the button below and activate your AI marketplace now. Start earning from the traffic that's already flowing. Start collecting from creators who are already desperate to get seen. And step into the only system that lets you profit from the AI boom, without ever using AI yourself. This is your moment to stop promoting other people's tools, and start getting paid every time someone uses one. Let everyone else compete. You'll be the one collecting the commissions. Click below and let Mindrix build your empire for you, starting today.